Ever wondered how premium hotel, restaurant, and office furniture is actually made in Dubai? From raw materials to luxury finished pieces. Today, we're taking you inside the factory. Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're giving you an exclusive factory tour and showing you exactly how furniture is manufactured in Dubai, from design to final installation. Let's get started. Every great piece of furniture starts with a great design. Here in the design department, experts create 2D and 3D layouts. Materials and finishes are selected and client requirements are finalized. Whether it's for hotels, restaurants, or offices, everything is planned with precision before production begins. Next comes choosing the right materials. Common materials used include solid wood, MDF, and plywood, metal frames, and upholstery fabrics. Quality materials ensure durability, especially for high-traffic commercial spaces. Now we move to the production floor. Here, raw materials are cut using advanced machinery and shaped into components. Precision is key. Every measurement must be exact to ensure a perfect fit. This is where furniture starts to take shape. Components are assembled and frames are built and reinforced. Structures are checked for strength. At this stage, you can finally see the furniture coming together. Now it's time to make it look premium. Sanding for smooth surfaces, painting, polishing, or laminating. This step gives furniture its final aesthetic, whether modern, luxury, or classic. For sofas, chairs, and seating, foam and cushioning are added, and fabrics or leather are applied. Stitching and detailing are completed. Comfort meets design in this stage. Before delivery, every product goes through strict quality control, including strength testing and finish inspection. Final adjustments are made, only perfect pieces move forward. The final step, getting furniture to the client, safe packaging, and on-time delivery are guaranteed. Professional installation ensures everything is perfect. From factory to final space, it's handled smoothly. Manufacturing in Dubai offers faster delivery, customization flexibility, and high-quality standards. That's why more businesses are choosing local manufacturers for their reliable support. Looking for high-quality furniture? Contact Kellso UAE, reach Mr. Francis at +971 50107 9124, or contact Ms. Angelica at +971 50189 0082. You can also email us at info@kellso-uae.com. We look forward to working with you. If you enjoyed this factory tour, please like the video, share it, and subscribe for more insights. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.